my baby.
Hey guys, it's Sam. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to style silk scarves in both your hair and as a shirt. I've been seeing this trend everywhere lately, from like models like Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner to just in everyday streetwear. It's becoming really popular. I feel like scarves are so versatile, especially when they're a bit larger, because you can wear it, like I said, like as a shirt, or you can wear it as a belt, on a purse, like literally you could do anything with it and it amps up your outfit like so much. The scarves that I'm going to be using in today's tutorial are from Manor Market. Manor Market produces 100% silk scarves, and they come in a bunch of different styles and patterns. They're so cute. I got mine in the Western print in the shade Mountain, and I also got the Klein in the shade Emerald, and I also got the Bridgette in stripes. The scarves come in a couple of different sizes. Mine is like the standard size, and then they have an extra large, and then they also have these little thin skinny ones, and they have, I think, a long skinny one and then a shorter skinny one, which is the Bridgette, and that's the one that I have. Their company is super environmental friendly and sustainable. Silk is honestly a great investment. It's super pretty and super soft. It is pricey, but it will last you forever, and it looks so beautiful. If you guys like the scarves that I'm using today and you're interested in seeing some other ones, then go ahead and visit their website. I'll link it in my bio. And yeah, let's get into the video. So this first look is probably the most popular look. I've been seeing this everywhere. I'm just going to put my hair back and then take 2 long strands from the front, and then you're going to want to grab some kind of hair tie, doesn't really matter, and then put your hair up into a ponytail. Now taking this scarf, I'm folding it in half diagonally and then putting it on top of my head and tying it behind my neck. So once you're done tying the bandana, you're just going to want to take your hair tie out, and here's me struggling to do that easy task. And then all you have to do is reposition your hair, and then that is it. Super simple and really cute. This look gives me like picnic in the park vibes. I'm not really sure why, but yeah, that's kind of just what I thought of. The next look is a low ponytail, so you're just going to want to grab another hair tie. I wouldn't advise doing like a scrunchie because then you might see it, so I'm just using a brown hair tie to kind of like match the bandana. And then you're just going to fold it diagonally and roll it, and then here I am going to tie it around where I tied my ponytail. And then I also decided to tie it into a bow just to make it a little more cute and a little more fancy. And then I always take out some hairs from the front just to give a more effortless look. And here's what it looks like from the back. Sorry, I didn't take the tag off in this clip. I totally forgot, but it's super easy to remove. So this next look is going to be a really simple headband. I'm just wrapping it the same way that I did in the previous clip, and then going to put that behind my neck so that I can tie it around my head. Once I have it tied securely, I kind of just tucked in the loose ends. You can leave it as is, but I kind of preferred it tucked in to look a little more tailored, like it's not even a scarf. It looks like an actual headband that you can just buy. Taking my hair tie again, I'm going to show you how to do another headband type style. This is with the Bridgette style silk scarf. So it's like already really small and easy to use. I basically just tie up my hair like how I did in the first tutorial, and then I tied it behind my head and put my hair down, and that's it. This year 2K inspired headband style is also what Bella and Kendall were wearing in the pictures I showed in the beginning. You basically just have to fold it in half diagonally and then wrap it around your head and tie it in the back. This one's super easy, but I think it's really cute, and here I am laughing at myself. This is another style with the headscarf that I feel like I'm just seeing everywhere nowadays. It is super trendy. This look is fairly self-explanatory. I'm just going to be doing a high ponytail to start off, and then I'm going to do the same wrapping motion. I'm going to take it underneath the ponytail and then cross it, flip my head over, and then cross it one more time, and then tie it twice at the top so it's extra secure. This look is very like 50s roller skating girl kind of vibes to me. I don't know, that's just like what I see. I might be getting the time periods mixed up, but yeah. And then you can also do the same with the Bridgette style. And then using this skinny scarf, I'm just showing you how to make a headband while your hair is already in a ponytail, similar to what I did with the green one earlier, but this is just a lot quicker because it's already really small. And lastly, for the hair tutorials, I'm going to do a 60s inspired look. I believe Audrey Hepburn used to wear her silk scarves like this all the time. Basically, you just fold it diagonally, tie it around your head loosely beneath the chin, and then I threw on some glasses because I thought that was cute, and it's perfect for a windy day. And lastly, here is the scarf turned into a super quick shirt. Basically, all you have to do is, again, fold it diagonally and then tie it behind your back. This is literally so easy and so fast, but it looks so cute and very high fashion. If you want more of a crop top look, just take the top flap and the bottom flap, twist them, and then tie a knot, and then you can get a cute little crop top. Here's what it looks like in the Western print, and then you can also just tuck it into the front and then wear a jacket and it'll look like a full shirt. And this is how I made the Western one into a bandeau. I basically just folded it diagonally and then tied a knot at the bottom, and then assuming that you already have it on at this point, then you tie it in the back, and then it should turn out something like this. And then here's what it looks like on. I honestly love how this turned out, and I feel like it is great to wear in the summer. And last but certainly not least, you can use your scarf as a mask because everyone should be wearing masks during this time. Just tie it around your face and you're good to go. Okay guys, so that would conclude today's video. I had a lot of fun filming this one. I am absolutely in love with silk scarves now. I feel like this is what I'm going to be wearing all summer and honestly any season. Again, all of the scarves that I used in this video are from Manor Market. They make 100% silk scarves, very sustainable. I have their website and their Instagram linked down below, so go show them some love, and I would love to see how you guys rock your scarves if you get one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. I make videos every other week or every week, and yeah, I'll see you next time.